Pagkatapos namin kumain, diretso na po kami sa Sitio Luis Beltran Parish Church. Uy, as you can see naman guys, ang ganda.
Wow!
The Sitio Luis Beltran Parish Church in Asingan, Pangasinan. Fun fact guys, Parish Church was established by Dominicans in 1669, while the parish itself predates the residence pastor and parish priest. It wasn't until 1690 that a resident priest was assigned. The church experienced significant damage during the 1990 earthquake, but it was rebuilt in 1993 largely thanks to the donation from the local community, and has remained in its present form since then. Kaya guys, pumunta na kayo dito sa Parish Church ng Asingan, Pangasinan. Dahil marami pang history na hindi ko pa nalalaman at hindi pa nadi-discovered. Kaya punta na kayo dito, baka may na-discover pa kayo. Yeah, thank you, bye bye, peace out.